Hello students. Now we are going to do a game. This game, I'm gonna give you a flashcard. I'm going to show you a flashcard, right? You have to describe this picture for her, okay? So she's going to guess the name of the animal, right? Ready? Yalla, let's start. Can you describe this animal for her? Who can describe this animal for her? But don't say the name of the animal. Good. Yes, Soma?
It has a long neck.
Yes, who else?
It is an animal.
Very good. It is an animal. Yes, thank you, Danielle. Yes, Ara, please.
It's a mammal.
It is mammals, yes. Can you guess?
Yes, it is giraffe.
It is giraffe. Very good. Now the second animal, she has to guess the name of the animal and you have to describe the animal for her, right? Yalla. The next animal we have this. Don't say the name of the animal. Who can describe for her? Yes, princess?
It is a reptile.
Very good. It is a reptile. Who else? Yes, Diane, please.
Sometimes living water and land.
It is snake.
Yes, very good. Lots of